Today we have an exciting video that will help you to transform a plain wall into stunning focal point using wallpaper or decals. If you are looking to add some personality to style to your space, this video is for you. Let's get started. Hi, welcome back to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring you some easy tips and tricks and some practical tips for your beautiful home decoring. Tip number 1. Choose the right wallpaper or decals for your wall. These are endless options available. So consider your personal style and the overall theme of your room. Whether you prefer bold pattern, texture, or natural inspired design, these are something for everyone. Take a look at these different options from floral patterns to geometric design and even whimsical decals for kids' room. The choices are endless. Explore various styles and find the one that speaks to you and complements to your space. Tip number 2. Prepare the wall before applying the wallpaper or decals. It's essential to ensure that the wall is clean, smooth, and free for any imperfections. Fill in any hole or cracks and sand the surface if needed. Before applying the wall paper or decals, make sure to clean the wall throughout. Use a damp cloth to remove any dust or dirt. If there are any holes or cracks, fill them with specks or putty and allow it to dry. Finally, sand the surface gently to create smooth base. Tip number 3. Measure and cut accurately. This step is crucial to ensure a seamless installation. Measure the dimension of your wall and cut the wallpaper or decals accordingly, leaving a little extra on the edges for adjustment. Use a measuring tape to measure the height and width of your wall. Transfer these measurements onto the wallpaper or decals and cut it carefully using a sharp utility knife or scissors. Remember to leave a small margin to account for any adjustment during installation. Tip number 4. Applying the wallpaper or decals. This is where the magic happens. Start by carefully aligning the top edge of the wallpaper or decals with the top edge of the wall. Smooth it out gradually, working your way down, and use a wallpaper brush to remove any air bubbles. Slowly peel off the backing of the wallpaper or decals Starting from top, align it with the top edge of the wallpaper and gently press it onto the surface. Use a wallpaper brush to smooth it out, working from top to bottom. Pay attention to any air bubbles and smooth them out as you go. Tip number 5, finishing touches. Once the wallpaper or decals are in place, trim any excess material carefully and ensure that the edges are neatly aligned. Use a straight edge or a trim guide for precision. Trim off any wallpaper or decal using sharp utility knife or scissor. Take your time to ensure clean and straight edges. Use a straight edge or trim guide for accuracy, especially when cutting along corner or edges. And there you have it. Plain wall transform into stunning focal point using wallpaper or decals. It's an easy and effective way to add a touch of personality and style to any room. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel for easy DIY projects and home decor ideas. Thanks for watching. Happy decorating.